friends, it's Penny Wolf, and I have another thrift store clothing haul video to share with you today. Got some bread and butter items to share with you today, not any really high end. However, I have some really great ones coming up that I thrifted yesterday. Some brand new tag soft surrounding tops and or blouses, a couple of brand new tags, and then a couple used ones which are excellent condition in a Lululemon I got for $2. Anyhow, I'll show you what I have here. One of the spring trends for spring summer trends for 2021 is sweater vests. I don't know about striped. I took a chance on this. I really don't know because it is striped and it's not like a name brand. This is not a brand I would normally pick up, but I thought, well, we'll give it a try. Probably more of the solids, or I know florals are real popular in like the dresses, but this is CC Hughes. And I would not normally pick this up, this brand, but I thought I'd give it a try because sweater vests are one of the things that are trending. If you'd like, you can subscribe, and then that way you'll get notifications when I upload new videos and the ones I have coming up with the soft surroundings. And I also have some videos up on some fashion trends for 2021, and also some increased sale tips, and then what sold, ship with me videos. And it moves the videos up in the search engine too on YouTube, and maybe you'll get some valuable content, and maybe some other people will too. This was brand new with tags, otherwise I would not pick this up. I do not pick up chaps unless it's plus size women's. But this is pretty. It's got this little ruffle here. It actually is a very pretty top. It was a little pricey, brand new, $49, but new with tags. You might get 19 for this, kid you not, on eBay. I don't know if this will sell on Posh or how it will do on there. But it's chaps, and like I always say, if you want to buy brand new with tags, buy it on eBay because it sells for the fraction of the manufacturer's suggested retail price. I'll try to list it higher if the comps are there on that. But, $15 to $30 really on this, but it probably, around 19 more than likely. Oh, I was super happy about this. I love the brand Spanx. It always sells quite quickly and for, quite a little bit of money. Some pieces sit a little bit longer. The leggings sell quickly and for more money. The tops, not as much. Do comps first before you pay very much. This is brand new without tags, and it's an Assets by Spanx, and it's just the little, little tank top. But anyways, it's shapewear if you're not familiar with it. It's sometimes it'll just say Spanx, I think. And then sometimes it'll say Assets by Spanx or Red Hot Label. Those are all, Spanx products. These tops haven't been going for as much as the bottoms. I'd say this will sell between $15 and $25. The bottoms, so I've sold some of them for $50. Like the pull-on, like leggings, shapewear, black. I have one that's been sitting for a while, but I think it's like a 1X. 1X, I really don't like to sell that size that much because I think it's too much of an in-between size. Between like the women's, regular sizing, and then to the plus, I like to sell bigger sizes. However, the other ones were regular sizes, like medium or large, and they sold for like one was 40, I think one was 50. Victoria's Secret lingerie sells. This is a little cotton cremesy, and the silk ones sell for more. Gold Label sells for a lot, which is vintage, but this is Victoria's Secret. And I will list this both on eBay and Posh. I list everything on eBay, and then I just list some things on Posh that I think that it'll sell over there and for, make it worthwhile, by the time you pay your fees and everything. And if you do any shipping discounts. This will sell between $10 and $20. And most of these items that I have been showing you, I paid probably right around $1 for. $2 maybe on some of them, but right around $1. I had a really great sale this morning. Oh, I'm very grateful. Thank God. Thank you, God. It was Harley Davidson all leather vest, bustier, where it's sleeveless, it's zipped up. It was heavily embroidered. It was a small size. It was beautiful, black with purple and pink on it. I paid right around 19 some for it, and it sold for $99 on Posh today. I was very happy. And after like shipping discounts and fees, I made like $71.45 or something like that on it. But that was a great flip. This is a little Victoria's Secret too. And these little baby dolls have been selling lately. They seem to be popular. And this is a little lace one. It's really short. It's really wouldn't, But anyhow, they've been selling, and it's Victoria's Secret, and this will sell between $10 and $20. And I have a few lingeries here. I think this might be another Victoria's Secret. I was scoring on Victoria's Secrets. Yep. No, wait, yeah. This is Sexy Little Things line. That's one of their lines. This is actually really soft. It's kind of like that polyester, I guess maybe rayon stretch. It's very soft. It's a little cremesy. This isn't exactly a baby doll. It's more of a cremesy, and it's got this little lace stripe on it. It's really cute. And once again, between $10 and $20. This is right around your average pricing. However, some have been selling for more. This one could sell for a little bit more. It could be $10 to $30. It just depends on the style and what it is, and how long you want to hold out for your sale. That's a big thing too. Sometimes I take lower prices just to get the sales. If I want more sales that day or to get items moved. Today I had 6 sell on eBay and 2 on Poshmark. And this is, I think this one might be silk. I think I ended up with 1 silk. This is a Victoria's Secret. And, I did. Got neon glasses, matched my neon shirt. If you watch my other videos, I love neon. Oh, nope, this is polyester. However, it's satin, and the silk ones sell for more and quickly, but this is very pretty. It's a little, cremesy too. This is all between $10 and $30. And one thing I really like about lingerie, it's very lightweight. It's very easy. I think it's pretty easy for listing. I use a mannequin, and I also do on the wall sometimes. Sometimes I do flat lays for items. It just depends on the item, or I'll kind of mix it up between the 2 or 3 different ways. And anyhow, and then they store really easy. You can store a lot of these. And I like to sell lingerie. For when I first started thrifting, I thought, who would buy used lingerie? But they do. But that stuff's expensive, And I always buy, really nice items too. But like your crumsies, your nighties, your nightgowns, your robes. Sometimes I had a 2-piece pajama set. Nick and Nora go out today too, and that sold for $32. That was on eBay. And, things like that. Some of the bras, those are in the shapewear. Okay, next we have some jeans, and I think these might be plus size. These are 14, kind of borderline regular plus size, but they're Levi's, and I thought, most Levi's do sell. This is more just like a straight cut. 14, size 14, you don't come across them as much as, maybe some of the smaller sizes. Comps on that, really between 10 and 20. I charge for shipping on everything that I sell on eBay. If you could do me a favor and push the thumbs up button, I greatly appreciate it. Hopefully you're getting some valuable content. I picked these up because hopefully these are going to be trendy. For 2021 spring summer is the wide leg, big leg. I don't know if the tapered leg is, but those are all really popular, styles. These are jeans, and these I would consider like a full wide leg. I would have called these taper legs in the 90s because they do kind of come down to a taper, but they have the full leg. And they actually have some stretch to them. And these might be a little bit bigger size. These are Lee's, sorry. Oh, for goodness sakes, I think, this is going to be a bummer. I think the brand and material tag has been removed. No! Oh, I didn't check that. What a bummer. I mean, some people do if they're in a spot where they're itchy, but I don't even see where they removed it. Oh, for goodness sakes, that's a bummer because this is going to make it harder to sell these. However, they'll still get listed. They might not sell for as much. When these, like a year or 2 ago, I sold a pair of vintage. They were Gantos, which is was a Kmart brand, but they were the high-waisted, they were the light wash, and they were kind of more like this style. I think they might have been the button fly, or they could have been skinny, high-waisted, but they sold for I think $30. That was a lot for that brand. I don't think they sold for more than that, but for a while there, Levi's were selling for $80 in that style. I picked this up. I wasn't really sure. Some people do talk about ECI brand. Floral is popular for summer. However, I think this is a little dated, this style. but I thought I'd pick it up anyways. Actually, it is very pretty, and the colors are beautiful, you know, and it's got a little, you know, the belt, the little tie waist dress. I don't know. It is going to depend on if this seems stylish or not. I have to look up comps. I haven't really sold this brand for a while. I kind of pass it up a lot. Maybe I think I need to check it out a little bit more. But, you know, maybe $10, $20 for this. Once again, paid $1. This is a nice brand for plus size women. It's called Women Within. I think they have cute stuff, and I think they're a little stylish. This is a beautiful, bright floral. Bright colors are very popular for the summer. I just thought that when I looked at this. This should do pretty nice because it's floral and it's a bright print. And Women Within, this is like a, I think it might be a 1X. However, I wonder if Women Within is a slightly bigger than some of the other, you know, plus sizes. But this is a 1X 22, 24. Like I said, I'm not really big on picking up 1X, but this is very pretty. And that's a Woman Within. I'd like to sell this between $15 and $20. I mean, it could go for less, around 10. If somebody offered, you know, that I'd take it, but I think I'd hold out for a little while. For some reason, this brand sells in plus sizing. It's called Blue Canyon, and they're really actually pretty. They have all this detail, and I think they always look kind of romantic. Has a little bit of embellished of like kind of like a, I guess like rhinestones on there. And anyways, I think that this is I would call this a Henley 3/4 sleeve, and plus sizing these sell. And this is a 2X, and it's called it's Blue Canyon. And see, isn't it? I think it's pretty. I would have thought maybe that's a little dated, but these sell. Actually, it is very pretty. And, you know, maybe $10, $15 on that. Like I said, these are a lot of the bread and butter ones today. Like I've mentioned before, you have the biggest key on eBay or Posh to get sales every day and more sales every day is the more you list every day, the more sales you'll have. You know, regardless of how many listings you have up, that factors in some because obviously the more listings you have, the more opportunity you have to sell. But if you have a ton of listings and you haven't listed for a while, you know, if you have a ton of listings already up and you haven't listed for a while, your sales usually will drop. I mean, you know, some may stay up there if you got really, you know, trendy pieces or whatever, but they can really drop. The more you list every day, the more you'll sell every day. And that's how come sometimes you just, you know, need to pick up the bread and butter brands because you got to have some volume. You know, you don't find the high end all the time or the real popular brands. This is a Land's End, and I don't pick up all Land's End, but this is called a Relax Fix. Once again, a 1X, but it's in excellent used condition. It's a stripe like tee, long sleeve pullover. This is in excellent condition. This may only sell between 10 and 15 if that, but it's around 10 or 15. You got to remember, and I had to remind myself of this for some reason. When you're selling this stuff, this is used clothing unless you know have stuff that's brand new with tags. And you got to remember it's used clothing. So really $10 for a used top is a pretty nice price. You know, it's all on how you look at it. Think if you're a garage sailor, you'd only pay maybe a couple dollars. But, you know, some brands warrant a lot more money. Like I said earlier today, I had the Harley Davidson go out. That was used, but it was all leather. Very nice. Sold for $99. The Nick and Nora pajama set was used, and it sold for $32. It depends on the brand and what it is. But still keep that in mind on some of the less expensive or less popular brands. These are Levi's, and hopefully these will be something, too. I thought this was interesting. They have an elastic waistband, but they're Levi's, and they're a little crop pant, and they're a light color. I thought these are really cool. These are an XL, and I don't know because I have never sold anything like this. Usually they're the standard, you know, Levi jeans, but I thought this was interesting, and I think they're kind of trendy because they got the bigger, wide leg, you know, full leg on there, except for they taper, you know, and they have a little zip elastic cup on there. And I don't know on this. This is going to be hard to decipher between 10 and 30 or 35. I mean, it could go for more, but, you know, that's probably your average, you know, amount. Ann Taylor. I don't pick up much Ann Taylor. However, I did have a silk one just go out this morning. It was silk animal print. It was very pretty. And it sold on Posh for $15. You know, after fees and stuff, you make around $10. However, this was trending for a while, this like chambray. However, this is a little darker. I always think of chambray being lighter, but I think this is still considered like a chambray. It's a almost like a 3/4 sleeve. And one thing I think Ann Taylor usually has the style numbers. I don't know if this is a style number, but you can. I don't know if you've been using Google Lens. You can either download the app, or if you on your phone, sometimes it'll already be there. But what you can do is take a picture of the item, and then go to Google app, click on the item, and it'll bring up similar. And you'll just have to look for Ann Taylor, because it may bring up other brands that look like this, but it's not Ann Taylor. Look for the Ann Taylor. Then you get your keywords, see what it's been selling for. Just remember, don't use any stock photos on eBay. That can get your account shut down. It's a veto. But I think they call it that. But anyways, it can get your account shut down. I know a lot of people do on Posh, but on eBay, don't do that. But you can get all the style, descriptions, which for a long time, I didn't take time to do that. I didn't. I just list the stuff. I'd say, short sleeve, blah, 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 blah. But I tell you what, I've been doing that now and taking more time on the listings and a little bit more detail on that. And I think it's making a difference in, bringing up the style names or descriptions that they had. But anyhow, this is, this is Ann Taylor Factory. And this might be that Tencel material. Let's see here. It's Lysol, Lyocell, Lysol or something like that. You probably won't be able to see that because it's really, really tiny. But anyways, it's Ann Taylor, and I don't know, maybe $10-15. I took a chance on that. I don't know. It's got this little ruffle there too. Anyhow, that's it for this haul today. And like I said, I'll have another one coming up where I'll have the soft surroundings brand new with tags. And I really want to be able to show you that, because it's fun to be able to show other thrifters, the stuff that you find and things like that. Hopefully you've got some valuable content out of this. And remember, subscribe if you'd like to get notifications. I greatly appreciate it. Really trying to grow this YouTube channel. And, I love this business. I really do. I just do. It's work. It is work, but I absolutely love it. And it's really fun to do these videos and to share that. And hopefully you can get some valuable content. I watch the other thrifters all the time. Their haul videos and what sold, or their ship with me videos, for things that sold. And I think it's beneficial. I've learned a ton, and you really got to stay on top of your brands, because something that was popular a couple of years ago might not be that popular now. And, and then there'll be new brands and new styles that come up. You really got to stay with it to stay up on your brands. And, I just find that that, and then, looking up comps and seeing what sold on eBay or Posh, Mark too. But, the haul videos and things, they've been really great. I've learned a ton that way. And you stay up on, some of the, because you'll go, well, they'll have something listed, and you go, oh, I haven't heard of that brand before, or, oh, I didn't know that style was popular right now, or, things like that, because sometimes it's just on style too. It's not always, the brand, but sometimes it is the brand. And remember, no matter what is trending at the time, your classic brands, the solid brands that always sell, they'll still always sell for the most part, and some things change there too, on what's popular, but your more expensive brands, they usually always sell. Anyhow, I hope that you've really enjoyed this video, and that you got some valuable content. May you have many prosperous sales. Have a blessed day. Thank you.